Let me tell you something, man. Natural is the mystic and the mystic is natural. You know how good and how pleasant it is to be in the farm at this time? Yeah, my viewers, back in my kitchen. You don't know, it's all about kind of feel peckish. Yeah, I have my sauce of tea here, and I have a little pan here. All right, show you what's going on with people. Yeah, my sauce of tea. Don't it? Yeah. I did put something inside the oven, you know. Yeah, I did put something inside the oven with people. We can't feel bacon, yo! You wanna go love me, you wanna go love me, love me, Yo, love me. I'll tell you, love me, no man, love me, man. Yo. Remember, say me tell me people, you see when you plant something and watch it grow. Most time when I am in the plantation, I have to smile, you know. Yeah, God is good all the time, and all the time God is good, don't it? Saying, yes, my people, the thing them grow out of sight. What we say them do? Them grow out of sight. We can hardly see myself through the plantation, don't it? Stick and stay, family. See what's coming next, alright? Yes, my people, this is no joke here. This is no joke, man. We have to plan something, don't it? Saying.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my people, I don't know enough. It's all about the organic farm. So I say, want to stick and stay because we got show you what's going on. Everything grow up taller than me right now inside the farm. So I say, so yes, as you can see right around. Don't move that dial. Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another episode. It's all about the organic farm. You can't miss out on this one. If you miss out on this one, you're not going to see what's going on. So yes, my people, my name is Everton if you're new here. Alright? Welcome to the channel. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Yes, my lovely people. It's all about the organic farm. See, as you can see, everyone grow up tall. Everything is growing here. Everything is bearing, as you can see. Yeah, this is the last corn. No, second to last corn that I planted. Yeah, as you can see, even inside the fridge here. Yeah, corn is here also. Do you remember in my previous video this pumpkin root? All right. Yeah, as you can see, blossoms. Yeah, blossoms. More than one blossom. You know what I mean? Blossom out. Yeah, so you know what that means. So soon and very soon, it is soon time for me to go and bud. Yeah, it is soon time for me to go and find the end of the pumpkin vine and bud it. Yeah, tell the pumpkin to, look man, it's time to put out the female blossom because this is a male blossom. Yeah, the long blossom is a male blossom, so we need a female blossom. Yeah, because the female blossom is gonna be very short and we have to have the male blossom before we can have the female blossom because it is the male blossom that make the female blossom bring fruit. All right, we have to pollinate. The birds pollinate and the bees. All right, so yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, it's all about the organic farm, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yes, as you can see, my first fridge here, I cut callaloo from here yesterday. Yeah, so you don't know, it look away, but by a couple days, you're frightened to see that, man. Grow back very nicely. As you can see, I am a person that loves okra badly. Okra is my favorite vegetables. You know what I mean? And when I see like the first one like this put out, I used to pick it and eat it right away. But trust me right now, I have so many inside here. Yeah? I have so many okras inside here. Okra inside here. Trust me. Alright. This section of callaloo now, as you can see, it look away. Look. Give you a close up. Look, yeah. As you can see, Yeah. These callaloo are eaten by bugs. So you don't know. Need to make some fire, burn some wood, get some ashes to throw on these callaloo here. So after throw the ashes on these callaloo, leave them for some time. Yeah, you know, the bugs or the worm can't come back. Or I have to get up in the night to come and watch, because only in the night they come out. So that's the only time I can get rid of them, you know what I mean? So yes, once I ashes all these leaves and leave it about a week, all the ashes wash off the leaf and it's ready again, grow up nicely and ready to eat because there's no bugs. Alright, yeah, as you can see, my onion, garlic, this is my garlic fridge. Yeah, striving away, you know what I mean? Yeah. But as you can see, my people, there's a lot of cucumber. Yeah, there's a lot of cucumber here. Trust me. Here, I can show you cucumbers from head to toe. Yeah. This little line of okra started to bear. Look how small them is. Started to bear. Yeah, them started to bear. Yeah. And my little patch of sweet potato. Yeah, how it look? Yeah, just 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 piece of the potato slip catch. So right now, if I leave this for next month, you're gonna see it spread. So I'm just gonna leave it to spread. I can transplant, you know. I can take off vine off this one here, cause it have on 2 vine here. I could take off a vine and plant somewhere else, but I just leave it, let it spread. And as you can see, I drop 1 and 2 pop chows. Yeah, 2, yeah. You see what's coming? Alright, these are the first corn that I planted. Trust me, looking good. Yeah. Don't think them ready as yet. When them ready, them hard, them tough. Yeah, in Jamaican terms, but them soft now. Them big, but them soft. So I have to leave them to put on some more health and some more skin. You know what I mean? So yeah. Right now, this is my dash along. Alright, this was a piece of limb from the ram goat dash along. We call it ram goat national here. The ram goat dash along. Yeah. And I come and I put it in water for 1 week and then plant it. You see it's still green? Keep on blossom? Yeah. When you need to plant a piece of limb, you put it into water for a week. Then after you plant it. Yeah. Alright, since I start the organic farm here, start to replant back, I plant this cane here. And look how many sucker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 suckers around it. And it have a mother cane there. Soon ready to eat. Don't it? Yeah man, I plant a piece of black mint here. Don't look so wonderful, but it is there. As you can see right through the garden, there is 1 and 2 pop chow. Yeah. Okra is still everywhere. Yes, my people, we have to plant something. If we don't plant, we're going to hungry. As you can see, the cucumber is everywhere. And the outside of the fencing, cucumber is outside also, bearing same way. So you don't know. Yeah. And I leave those over there that passerby passing, if they see a nice pretty one, they can pick it. Yeah, that's me. You know what I mean? As I said, cucumber is everywhere. And trust me, my people, when you're planting, when you're farming, it's so you give, it's so you get, it's so the thing them beer that you have. You know what I mean? You can't keep them for yourself alone. Alright? Yeah. Cucumber. Alright, right here is a little patch of pop chows. Yeah? Trust me, pop chow them look nice, my people. Pop chow them look nice. I just try them out now, look there. But, my viewers, as you can see over the ear, is the same dirt in the tray. And it is from here, I take them from. Small same way and plant them over here. If you don't transplant things, they don't grow. You have to transplant them to change. So right now, if I take one out there and plant it somewhere else, yeah, it's going to grow. Yeah. My time. I don't want nothing to do my timeline, you know. This is my timeline. I pay time inside here. You notice all the leaf is in the air? Yeah, they're stretching for the morning sun. Yeah. Yeah, man. Cucumber again. Cucumber almost everywhere, you know. Yeah, this is one of my callaloo section. I can cut from this fridge. As you can see, yeah, I can cut callaloo from this fridge here. So if a person come need callaloo, I can cut from this fridge here. And as you can see, cucumber again. So yes, my people, this fridge is the fridge that I did plant the kale in. It's only one catch. See it here? I cherish it, you know, but it kind of overcrowded by the callaloo. Right here, I have a root of red peas. You know, Sunday morning you run go buy the red peas, because you have to put it in the rice and peas. Yeah, I take out a couple grain and plant them here. Yeah, and see them have more than grain. You know what I mean? Yeah, right along the way, okra. Yeah, okra is everywhere. This is my next fridge. Yeah, and as you can see, yeah, but this fridge was the cauliflower. I love to call that word. I love to call the name. Cauliflower. Alright? Cauliflower. I have only 3 catch inside here. So I have one over here. Yeah, I treasure it. I cherish it. Cherish it. See one here. But I want to behold, this is the biggest cauliflower. You know what I mean? Can't wait to see it bloom. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's all about the rising of the sun in the morning here. The sun don't reach it as yet, so it don't take the dew off. As you can see, dew is everywhere. Look. Yeah, dew is everywhere. This is Mother Nature, you know what I mean? Natural is the mystic is natural. If you want to go vital, you have to go vital. If you want to go vital, you have to go ital. Yeah, you don't know. It's all about the blessings, and we have to give thanks. We have to give thanks and praise to the Most High. Yeah, for our blessings. Seeing? Yeah. So you don't know. Reach the last fridge here in the corner here. As you can see, in my previous video I tell you about this okra. When I get the dry okra to plant, it was 7-inch long. And as you can see, these okra very, 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 very tall. This morning I take off the, alright, this one, I take it off this one this morning. Look, see how long this one is? Yeah, and it's still young. Yeah, still ready to grow, just ready to grow. As you can see, my people, me have some beautiful peanut inside here. Yeah, as you can see, peanuts. But trust me, I have some okras, not okra, I have some carrot inside here. Yeah, and just the other day I scratch away one of them, you know, and trust me, carrot is there. Yeah, carrot is there. I only hope the rabbit don't come inside here. Yeah, but carrot is there, my people. Yes, my people, carrot is inside here. Yeah, I have some lovely carrot inside here. I think it's that one I scratched the other day. Carrot is inside here. So as you can see, all of this line here is very green. Yeah, I don't water them every morning, you know what I mean? Because you can't water plant every morning, you will drown them. So you don't know, when I know that the sun is very hot throughout the day, in the evening I give them a little bit, and in the morning I water them again, but leave them again to go and take in some sunlight. Yeah, because you don't know it's all about the sunlight. Only the sunlight make them grow and thing and water. So yeah, so trust me, people. Yeah man, corn, how them look good, don't it? Yeah. Alright, this side now, here was the low side. I plant from the ground here. And if you notice, most of these things that I plant from the ground, yeah, it's gonna grow up on tree, because I don't like to plant too low, because there are too much animals here. You know, I come in the other day, when I look up here, I see a goat, and when I see the goat, me say everything change, you know. And I rush come up here. When I rush come up here, the goat have a kid. I say, ratted, you and your picnic inside my place. Rush after them run out. Come, I can't lick them, you know. Can't lick them, Jano. Look at this okra. It just ready for growing, you know? Very young. Just look at this one. Just ready to grow, my people. So if you have your fish and you have 3 of this okra and the fish, you don't want nothing else, man. You don't want nothing else, man. Nothing. As you can see, need some hashes. Yeah. Remember, this is a organic farm. So yes. And it doesn't matter what I'm doing, you know. Once I see something that's supposed to come out, I take them out. That's me. That's why the plantations are clean and nice. Yes. Alright. Here, I have a root of, a line of cocoa. Yeah, this cocoa, them call it left man cocoa. You notice the color of the cocoa? Look on the plant. You notice the color of it? Yeah, it is the blue body cocoa. Yeah, the bottom of it is blue. Yeah. When you go to the plantation, you know, you put on the pot, you know, and you throw one little piece of meat bone or fish bone into the pot with the water. You know, you jug one cocoa and you get how much dozen of it and you throw it inside the pot. Yeah, man, pot have to cook when they are bush. Fire have to make up, because me the woman right now, me go make up my outside fire. Yeah. Cause fire have to burn, you know what I mean? Me have to get ashes for throwing at the plantation. So yes, my people. Alright, do you remember in my previous live? Look at this. Oh, nature, bees. In my previous live, I show you this cucumber and I put it up on stick. Alright. Soon as I put it up on stick, because I want to know if them run up on the stick, if it grow better, if it bear better on the stick or on the ground. And look here. To behold, this is what happened after I put it up on the stick. Yeah, so I'm just watching to see. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yes, my people, we have to plant. Yeah. Once we plant, we have something to eat. Yeah. For real. Once we plant, we have something to eat, my people. Yeah, man. Okra plant is everywhere, no? Okra plant is everywhere. So yes, my people. Looking good. I just love this line here. Yeah. Yeah. These pop chow. Love these pop chow. Gone to bed. Yeah. Just can't wait for me to pick one. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yes, my people, I have 4 root of corn here. And as you can see, you're looking at 4 corn. Yeah. The last time I planted some corn, each corn have on 2. But this time it's only 1. Yeah, man. We have to give thanks. You don't know. Never have to catch. But yes. It's all about the organic farming, people. Looking good. And this is right at my window, but I can stay in my kitchen. Although I have a camera there at my kitchen outside there watching the plantation. So soon, doesn't matter where I'm at. Once an animal come inside there or something, yeah, it tell me, say, look, there is a guy into your place, you know. You have to come and get him out. You know what I mean? Yeah. For real. But it is right against my kitchen window. So, and as you can see, my kitchen window very clear. Yeah, very clear. So, it's clear glass there. So once I'm in my kitchen, I can just look outside. Yeah. Alright. Way back in my previous video, the apple banana. This is the apple banana plant. Yeah. It is coming. It is coming. Can't wait for it to put out a bunch of banana. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yes, my people. Farm look nice. Yeah, man, bowl for blessings. Big up on yourself here. Just remember to plant something. Plant a seed. Yeah. I have more corn inside here now, so I need to drop 2 more corn. But the space. Need to find 2 more space to drop 2 more corn. As you can see, I have corn even inside here. Yeah. Because I don't like to plant everything in one. You know? Like this month I plant something, I plant the same thing the other month. You know what I mean? Because I don't want all of them coming one time. Them are going to spoil off, and I don't like to see food spoil. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, my people, me show you the sweet potato already. Me show you the little patch of sweet potato. Yeah. But as you know, sweet potato spread when it's ready. Here is my Irish potato fridge. But as you can see, I did set the 3 Irish potato here. Set them to sprout. So I take them out. And as you can see, yeah. Put them into a cool place to sprout. So soon as them sprout, I cut off the sprout them and plant them. You can cut off all the sprout after it started to leaf up. Yeah, and plant them. And trust me, I want to behold, you can dig Irish potato 3 months after, alright? As you can see here, tomato. Just started to blossom, don't it? Yeah, man. Nah, miss out on nothing. This is a plant that everyone should have at home. Yeah. As you can see, everyone should have a plant like this at home. And let me tell you something, my viewers. I always try to catch a plant of this tree here. But when I get to understand, I can't get a young plant of it. So I did have the seed. So I picked the seed out of the shell, put it into a can, and trust me, I put 3 seed into 3 different cans. I put 2 seed into the shell, into a can, and one of the can having the seed that pick out of the shell. And this is the one that pick out of the shell. Yeah. I mean, when you take out the seed out of that pod, there's a little tough shell that around it. Yeah. Pick it off, put it into a can, plant it. This is the one that grow. I did have a card tie right around here, as you can see. It grew and get, yeah, small. The card gets small now. I have to pull it. But this is a merengue plant, my people. Everyone should have a plant of this. Merengue. See it? We just water it sometime a morning time, because you can't water plant every day. And that's it. Merengue, my people. I can pick off this now and make some tea. You know what I mean? You don't want a bigger tree more than this. And guess what? This plant is growing very fast. Very, very fast. Merengue, very good for your health. Alright? Alright, this is the cologne mint, my people. Your mint are nice, you know. Cologne minting. Nice, you know. You're supposed to know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Alright? See how me do it here. Cut 2 pieces of the limb, put it into water, leave it for a couple days, then plant it. It catch. Because once you have it in the water, it's still going to be alive. And so you plant it, it's still going to catch. It is much easier to catch. If you just cut it and put it into the ground, it's dead. You know? It collapses. Yeah, I should say. Alright? Okay, watch this, my people. Look how tall this okra tree is. Whoa, look how tall. I have to zoom in. Look at that. It have an okra. Yeah, as you can see, a dry one is on it. Yeah. So when you plant something and it bearing, you can't just eat all of them. You leave one to plant back seed. Alright. Here I plant some seed here. All different type of seed. Pepper, sweet pepper, hot pepper, carrot, cucumber, tomato. There's a lot of seed plant inside here. So most of the time I cover them with the bag to give it a little, you know. Yeah. Because I don't want, if rain fall, I cover them. Because the rainfall is going to beat them down. Yeah. Tips, I want you to eat grass. Tips, I eat grass, my people. When I see the cat or animal I eat grass, now, any grass they eat, you know, it is very powerful, don't it? I don't know what that grass name, but they might eat grass. Yeah, and as you can see, I'm pregnant. No, she's pregnant. Yeah. Look, you see it? Yeah, man, Tips pregnant. So she take her medicine before she go clinic. Alright, my viewers. So, yes, my viewers. It's all about the organic farm. See? So, my name is Everslick, if you're new here. And I must say to each and everyone, plant something, man. See? And I'm saying, if you watch the video till you reach this time in the video, I want to say thank you for watching. Yeah? It's all about Everslick Media. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, it's the same thing. My next channel, Everslick Media, yeah, you can check it out. But at this time, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Peace and blessings, my people. One love to you all. Plant something, alright? Yeah.